Spider-Man, brand new day is near! Our tickets are secured. So gawa tayo ng outfit na susuotin ko sa theaters. This whole outfit is mostly from Bershka. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's do the fit. Ito yung piece na susuot natin ngayon. This is the Bershka X Marvel collab. This is the Spider-Man oversized, like boxy shirt siya. For the bottoms, we're gonna use this Bershka barrel fit jeans. I'm going for a bit like a campus outfit or school outfit since Peter Parker has a good taste sa campus outfits. For the innerwear, we have this Hanley long sleeve from Bershka din also. This is how it fits. Gusto ko yung medyo mas mahaba siya ng onte. And medyo slim yung sleeves para yung effect na parang campus outfit like 2000s outfit, diba? Layer natin to with a Spider-Man top. So the inner is not actually longer than the shirt itself, but I really love the effect na yung pag naangat ko lang tong shirt. Ang dalawang layers siya dito. Ayan. For the footwear, we have here the Converse, an OG Spider-Man shoe. Over na siya kapag nag-headwear ako or parang di bagay sa akin mag-bonnet eh. That's the whole outfit. Hopefully, nakasecure na kayo ng tickets. I hope you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!